us.
So yes, now we are in Nusa Dua. Actually, we are in just check-in in Hotel Courtyard Nusa Dua by Marriott. Yeah, we decided to have a Christmas staycation in Nusa Dua.
Yeah, for one night during the
It
Christmas.
seems busy.
And it's
So we just
actually
check
busy.
in. Yeah, and then seems busy.
We are in Courtyard by Marriott in Nusa Dua in the closed complex of hotels. Winnie is doing paperwork. It's quite taking the check-in nowadays quite longer than usual because you have to fill special papers about the current stuff, where you travel, what you do, blah blah blah. So it's taking longer time. I'll show you lobby around. It's the small wee Christmas tree over here, so it's actually not as bad, at least little bit of the Christmas vibes in the hotel. So we just checked in, and it's the good tip, pro tip from Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys. If you're staying in the Marriott Group hotels, register into membership, so you're gonna get a free upgrade. How you did now, right, honey?
So actually, because I have a Marriott Group membership card, so we got a upgraded room to the full view, actually to the best view one. So yeah, this is how it is.
Okay, let's check this out.
Going up to the second floor because our room is 2206. Look at this room. Ooh la ooh la la, nice. Very nice room. Oh, come. Look at the bathroom. I will just put this one. And look at the bathroom. Nice. Simple, nice. And this room with the pool view.
And as you can see, it's quite busy. Actually, this is the most busiest time when I ever been in hotel since in 2020.
Yeah, so I think this is quite busy. They are coming from outside of Bali, maybe they're coming from Java. So yeah.
Well, definitely I only want the Bula right now, foreigner here. At least I didn't saw anyone, maybe somebody somewhere. It's quite busy, but with the local people. Alright, so Winnie actually booked this hotel since July, yeah?
Yeah.
Kind of July was the promo when the hotel was still closed. Actually, they opened like in December, and it's cost us just little like 700k, which is actually around 50 US. So
but now if you book it, I just check it in booking.com or other online site. It is around 1.3 until 1.4 million.
yeah, so it's
for
actually
the same room, deluxe
so it's
room.
actually just double price normally if you would like to book, but because Winnie already booked this in July or something like that, half year ago, so we got a good deal, so we decided to gonna spend
and that's include breakfast.
and it's of course breakfast for you. That's how it looks, the pool situation. It's actually busy and quiet at the same time because it's the hotel is actually quite big, yes honey?
Yeah, it's big, and then other side over there is another swimming pool.
Yeah.
So yeah, because that swimming pool, lots of kids, small kids, so Damian decided to have swimming here.
Yeah, I'm already big kid enough. And anyway, because it's Christmas, so we decided to chill by the hotel, yes honey? Alright, cruising on my skateboard around Courtyard. Not so bad, it's quite busy. Only one actually bull over here. Imagine that. Nobody complain as I drive around. god. Honey, you kick my balls. Oh, honey. Honey, what do you think about your swimming skills?
No, that's so bad.
Honey, but it's okay. My skills are now not better. Actually. I'll separate you, honey. We have long way to go home. Titanic is sinking, you know. So here is little bit more life. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Because this is for kids and everything. Actually now a lot of people who come, they are mostly like families, not like we are like a young couple, but mostly the families. Yes, honey? So this area will be more visible. This is nice restaurant over here, by the way.
This is apartment, actually.
Where?
This one is apartment, actually.
This is apartments area, actually. Alright, so actually Winnie told me she spoke with someone over here, and this area is the apartment. It's like a condominium, something like this. Quite interesting, actually. I'm not sure, I don't have any details how much is it per month. However, it belongs to the Marriott corner. Gee, look at the Mrs. Monkey baby. What I did.
So this is the lazy river, actually exactly like in the water bomb. If you have ever been to water bomb Kuta, so this is the mini version.
Nice. Oh, nice. We just arrived. And check this out. Small wee cookie. Christmas wishes. Very nice. Thank you so much. Yes, honey? Alright, as you can see, it's quite busy in the hotel area actually.
I can say that almost full book, and most of them bringing their own private car.
Yeah, obviously they are coming from different islands of Indonesia, so...
Yeah, so easier to travel, you know, using your private car nowadays.
Yeah.
And now we will go to Bali collection.
Yeah, we will see how's the things
time-
there.
Because last time when we were in Bali collection were closed, empty and spooky, but now let's see how it is.
Yeah.
Because I heard that some of the restaurants are open actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, we will see.
We will see. And by the way, I show you quickly the parking area situation. As you can see, yeah, it's quite yeah, many cars, I have to say.
So we arrive in Bali collection. Oh, look at this. The car park is full. So let's find. No. Are you sure? No, we are not allowed to park there.
No. Alright, so we arrived to the what is
Bali
called
collection.
Bali collection, yeah, and yeah, it's very quiet, but it's something open. It's not
So
definitely.
finally it's open, because last time a few months ago we went here, nothing is open, restaurants are closed, but nowadays look, almost all restaurant is open, but not all, but mostly yes they open.
Yeah, definitely, it's some action here to compare to the last time. Okay, yeah. Right, so we're walking around and well, actually it's not really busy. However, definitely something open because when we was last time was completely zero, nothing. But now it's like 25% of businesses are open here, and some people walking around also. Oh, leave.
Yeah, and then some shops also they offer you like special discount, big discount, sale.
Of course, especially for me because I'm.
Yeah, but as you see, yeah, like Damian told you, some are closed and some are open actually.
Yeah. Starbucks and Natty's are open, and even there are some people there. So.
And then the shop next door, Bamboo Blonde. When last time we were here, it's so empty, even no clothes inside. But nowadays, open.
Yeah, it's open. Probably just because of the festive season, right? But still, anyway, at least little bit of the hope. Anyway, I wanna talk a little bit about the Christmas in Bali. And this year, it's actually not really. You cannot really feel like a lot of vibe of Christmas because obviously no foreigner tourism. So it's a little bit like quiet, right?
Yeah, mostly like when Christmas season, I can feel like this is the Christmas. But nowadays, I don't know what to say, but I feel like just little bit.
Just little bit. That's why we decided to go to the hotel. Anyway, if in Bali, if you wanna really feel the Christmas vibe, you have to go to the hotel or the Western restaurant or to the mall, something like that. But even in the mall in this year is very quiet. I mean, not much. So it's time for the little Christmas dinner. I have a fish today, no pizza, no burger, okay? Because I know.
Yeah, as usual, I have pork, so I decided to have a pork ribs for today's dinner. So we decided to have a dinner in Bali collection because the food in Bali collection is much cheaper than in hotel. I know this is festive season, but we decided to have still even cheaper, but you know, more yummy.
I mean, more local vibes. You know, guys, how is it in the hotels? Alright,
so we already had a dinner, and then that's all our video today.
Yes.
And then we would like to say Merry Christmas for those who celebrate all over the world. Thank you for watching us.
And like always, see you
See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
See you, take care, guys.